reception, and this is the breakfast area. Every day I have a complimentary breakfast for 5 days. So it is excellent. It starts in the morning like 6:30 to until 10:30. So here water starts with water, detox water, like forks, spoons, plates. First we have to pick up plates, and then this non-vegetarian section, eggs, beef sausage, scrambled egg, beef baked beans. So every day they change menu. Except this vegetarian section, you can see whole madam, hash brown. So today there is upma, paratha, curry, rajma masala, fresh fruits. Yesterday it was idli, day before it is vada, so it is cornflakes. And is juice, apple and orange juice. So this is tea and coffee. Tea already mixed with milk and sugar. And this is coffee machine. This is toaster, very hot toaster. White bread, brown bread, Lebanese bread, croissants, chocolate croissants, honey, jams, and fresh fruits. You can see fresh fruits and vegetables, and tomato, cucumber, apples, muskmelon, watermelon, everything. Curd, strawberry yogurt, plain yogurt, fruits. So different cheese, carrot, shredded carrot, chicken, beef, and this is a apple making machine. So we have to take bite from this machine, and we can make our own pan. So just we can sit in these sofa sets. So and enjoy our breakfast. So it is buffet breakfast. So always excellent varieties. Even we will have like idli, vada, and everything. So here also we can sit. Some more seats here area. So plenty of tables, chairs to sit and enjoy our breakfast. Excellent facility in Hilton by Hampton, Dubai. Here also we can eat, sit and eat, and we can see the main road buses. Main road. Good morning, everyone. So today is 31st of May, Saturday. So I am just leaving my hotel now, room number 205. So already like 1:30 p.m. So yesterday night I didn't have much sleep. That's why I was taking rest. So today I'm planning to go to Sharjah. First I go to metro station, like 800 meters from here, green line, and then I take a metro to go to the bus station. I will just tell you. So where I can get bus to Sharjah. So first I want to visit Sharjah, then come back, then visit Meena Bazaar and Gold Souk. And if possible I will go to Museum of the Future. So like from outside, not inside, because it is 170. I am leaving my hotel now, Hampton by Hilton, Dubai Airport. Excellent hotel. I am enjoying my stay here from past 4 days. So today is my full last day. So tomorrow I leave around 11 o'clock. So leave around 11 o'clock because my flight is at 3 p.m. from airport. Airport is very close, but I just want to spend reception. I am starting my small hotel tour. So this is the breakfast area I have covered yesterday. So this is the travel desk, tours and safaris. Some items are a bit expensive here. So just think twice before booking. So Dubai City tour is actually 60-70 dirhams, but he charged me 150 dirhams. So this is the sitting area, relaxing area. The people work on the internet, so can you work on laptops. So this BBC News always telecast. This is also nice area to sit and relax, and that is toilets for all guests and everyone to use. And this is again, see how big is sitting and relaxing area. And this cafe is available 24/7. So they have like coffee, tea, Starbucks. So if we arrive late, this is a pub. So they also telecast IPL matches here. So they say just we have to take a drink with 50 dirhams and watch the episode. Children playing area. This is the lifts area. So beautiful 5 lifts. So they are very fast. This is the corridor close to my room, in front of my room. Excellent. So it's room number 202, 203, 211. My room is 205. Enjoyed 5 nights here. Excellent. It's only 45 USD per night, including breakfast. So it's 205. Just I have to use my access card to enter inside. The beautiful, excellent. So I'm almost getting ready, because my flight is at 3 o'clock. 11 o'clock I have an airport shuttle. So this is the swimming pool. This is sofa with cushions, phone, intercom. So is a TV. So we get all news channels. This is a fridge. Underneath the chair to work. Tea, coffee, complimentary tea, coffee with kettle. So this is good size bath with WC and also cubicle.
మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.